Bitcoin has hit an all-time high price that surpassed $28,000. Now, before we get into the history of Bitcoin and what it is, you know, let's just take a look at this. What's happening in the crypto market. Lots of things have been happening over the Christmas period, and we've seen all-time highs. And funnily enough, it's just so weird, this. On the 25th of December, Bitcoin hit $25,000. On the 26th of December, Bitcoin hit $26,000. On the 27th of December, Bitcoin hit $27,000, and it's hit a new all-time high of $28,000 before we've even reached 28th of December. So it's creating a big, massive storm in the world economy and markets. So, and why is that? Because we have big institutional players coming in into the Bitcoin space. An investment company called Rufa has built up 550 million pounds, not even dollars, pounds on Bitcoin, you know, as an insurance policy, guys, an insurance policy against turmoil in the wider financial markets. What does that mean? It means that perhaps we could see another credit crunch. Perhaps we can see high inflation, you know, because the pound and the dollar is being printed off like it is going out of fashion. And so because of the economic downturn, because of the pandemic, you know, we are looking at Bitcoin becoming a safe haven. And that's huge because we've had a massive influx of institutional money come into the cryptocurrency space. And it's not just it's not just Bitcoin. There are other cryptocurrencies as well, which we're going to go into in the presentation. And so if you're not tuning in and you're watching the recording, make sure you're here every Sunday at 6 o'clock for Lockdown Sunday with London Crypto Network. And so no sooner had Bitcoin no sooner had Bitcoin started escalating over the $20,000 mark, we now get news coming through from New York Stock and Exchange Commission, the Securities and Exchange Commission. They have filed a lawsuit against Ripple. Now, I've never really been a big fan of Ripple. You know, I've never ever been a fan of Ripple. I was one of those people that said, don't buy Ripple. If you have Ripple now, sell it. And that was when it was what, $1 something, $1.25 or something like that. I said, sell it. I was one of those haters of Ripple. Why? The people, the owners of XRP are Ripple. Ripple is the company. Ripple actually provide a payment system for the banks. And so there are a number of industry players that are involved in Ripple. That's one big reason why I don't like Ripple. And the second reason is that it's centralized. Sorry, did I say decentralized? It's centralized, meaning that Ripple control the flow, and they own the Ripple, the XRP. And as we can see here, the reasons why the SEC have decided to engage in this lawsuit is because they say that Ripple engaged in this illegal securities offering from 2013 to the present, even though Ripple received legal advice as early as 2012 that under certain circumstances, XRP could be considered an investment contract and therefore a security under the federal securities law. And so from a financial perspective, the strategy worked over a years-long unregistered offering of the securities, the offering. Ripple was able to raise at least $1.38 billion by selling XRP, without providing the type of financial and managerial information typically provided in registration statements and subsequent periodic and current filings. So Ripple used this money to fund its operations without disclosing how it was doing so or the full extent of its payments to others to assist in its efforts to develop the use of XRP and maintain XRP secondary trading market. So basically, what's happened to the price of Ripple in the past since the 24th of December, I think it was that the news broke, you know, it's tanked, you know, and rightly so. And this is one of the reasons why, because large exchanges, cryptocurrency exchanges like Bitstamp, they have delisted XRP from their exchange. Coinbase is one of these exchanges that lists Ripple, and we're all waiting to see what Coinbase are going to do, you know, because as you can see here, B2C2 halted the trading of Ripple's XRP for its US customers, with Bitstamp announcing that it would remove the option for XRP trading and deposits for US customers on the 8th of January 2021. So big deal. So this is actually going to, you know, crucify the coin. But it's interesting. It's because of the centralized nature of the XRP coin, and that's why they're in deep doo-doo now. But the contrary, as we've seen, the opposite has happened with Bitcoin, and you can see here that there are actually still the market's favorite. You know, Ripple has a number of supporters, significant number of supporters, and so Ripple is still being touted as the coin to watch. Not only that, the good coins to watch are Litecoin, Cosmos. I've got some Cosmos and Litecoin too, and Bitcoin Cash. Okay, so these are the ones that are going to be heading north in the future. And so let me just, on that note, you know, I do these updates every Sunday before I go into the presentation for the London Crypto Network's Lockdown Sunday. So if you're watching this recording, like and subscribe to the channel, like the video and share, and do tune in every Sunday at 6 o'clock British Standard Time. All right, so now we are going to go straight into the present. I know it's a bit much, you know, for someone that's never done it before, it can be quite overwhelming, you know, so that's why we're here to give you some more help, you know, because sometimes it can seem a bit confusing, or you might find it complicated to get started. And of course, there are many scams out there, so you have to be very careful, guys. And then, of course, cryptocurrency is high risk. We've seen XRP. XRP has tanked 50%, and we don't want to be caught up in that kind of debacle. So we want to do things in a nice, safe, easy pace, so that we understand what crypto is, how to use it, how we can make money from it. Okay, so if you need more help, that's what London Crypto Network is here for. We're going to go for a little break in a minute. So I think if the meeting times out, we'll just rejoin. So you can get help with a free e-wallet coaching. You can get 8 one-to-one coaching sessions for free, and the only thing you need to do is choose how you want to grow your crypto portfolio. Okay, so that's all you need to do just to get started.